In the process of the machine tool, there are various parameters belonging to bearings, which have impacts on the machining accuracy, such as changes in contact angle and rotation accuracy that I mentioned earlier. What other parameters will affect the machining accuracy of the machine tool? Today, I'm going to introduce the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face, which is an important quality index of the bearing. It is mainly used to measure the positional accuracy on the raceway groove of the angular contact ball bearing, referring to the parallelism deviation between the center line of the bearing ring groove and the reference face, usually expressed in micrometers micrometer. Firstly, the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face has a direct influence on the axial runout with the inner and outer rings of the bearing. In other words, the axial displacement is likely to occur in operation when it is too large, which can reduce the rotational accuracy of bearings and increase the vibration of the spindle. Thus, the machining accuracy will inevitably be affected by the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face. During the machine tool processing, the variation on the value of the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face will change the geometric shape inside the bearing, thereby affecting the clearance of the axial and radial. This will cause changes in the load capacity of bearings, that is, uneven force distribution. Moreover, the shortened life of bearings is due to varying degrees of wear caused by changes in friction between the rolling elements and the inner and outer rings, as the rotational speed increases and uneven heating. As a bearing manufacturer, we have always been concerned about this parameter and strictly control it during the production. At present, the value on the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face inside our bearing rings is all controlled within 2 micrometers, and 90% of all is controlled within 1.5 micrometers. The axial runout of our bearing is better than the P2 level standard by effectively controlling of the parallelism of raceway with respect to the face.